Today I'm going to talk about many things and that will really help you to get your fluency in English, and you're going to have multiple ideas through me today. At this time I would say 99% people are suffering in this language, right? They do not have enough knowledge. They don't know how to convey any messages, how to talk on any topics, how to maintain my confidence level. They don't know how to utilize vocabulary on the spot, how to make sentence, and they have a lot of hesitations because they don't know how to implement any new stuff in speaking, right? So here I'm going to tell you many ways, and that will really help you out to get aware how to do this, how to utilize the new words in my conversations, and how to prepare a sentence, how to talk to people with the confidence. My dear lovely learners, firstly I would like to tell you, becoming proficient English speaker you have to listen much more. I know listening it's very irritating, and I know you all will not accept my these proposals. I know initially it's looking quite boring and monotonous, right? It makes you monotonous and quite, it will give you feeling dull, right? But in spite of, you have to do this because it's very important. Listening, it's very important. Listening, this will help you out to understand the context, the statement of others. It will help you to perceiving someone's statement quickly, and accordingly you can prepare your sentence, your answers, right? So this is very important to consume gradually. Okay, here I'm going to tell you the one mistakes usually beginners are doing at the beginnings. They start collecting idioms, phrases, right? Standard vocabularies. So this is the biggest mistake of learners initially. They should not, keep collecting standard vocabularies and idioms, phrases like that stuff. There is no use, especially at your beginning. You have already been through a lot of adversities and problems. You have already less confidence, not having proper knowledge, like many things, many problems you have already. In spite of, you always try to collect standard vocabularies. Suppose if you have gathered, how will you use it? You don't know how to set new words in my statement. You don't know. This is a this is the problem behind many learners who often, does mistakes, at beginnings. They think usually like after having expensive vocabularies, standard vocabularies, and idioms, phrases, it will make my sentence impactful. But this is not the actual reality. I would say somewhere you are going to take burden on your shoulder. Okay, somewhere are you taking burden on your shoulder, and after couple of times you are going to realize it's not a piece of cake for me to do, to keep doing the same thing for a long time. Barely you know how to convey your message. And after collecting a standard vocabulary and phrasal and idioms, how do you use these stuff in your conversation? Even you do not have any clarity about how to convey your simple messages about any matters, right? So I would recommend to all of you, do not run behind such stuff. In spite of, you just try to focus on basic words and vocabularies. And this is very important for you. Basic words will help you out to convey your message in impactful full manners. Another benefit are you going to have? Other people can understand you, yeah, right? Other people can understand you, and you are also feeling very comfortable while using very normal and simple words in your conversations. And through, if you give your answers, you feel internally like, yeah, I'm speaking well. I have no any problems while creating sentence. That's the why I'm telling you here. These are the common mistakes the people are doing at their beginnings. That's why I'm telling you. You have to ignore, while learning English, not collecting any fancy words at beginnings. If I talk about me, initially I didn't focus on collecting standard vocabulary and phrasal and idioms because I was well aware about the exact problems of mine. I knew already this time to focus on my basic, right? This time I have to focus on my mistakes. I have to make my basic strong. After after that I will think about. Initially I have to focus on my constructions, my way of talking, and as well as if I'm making any grammar mistakes in my speaking, so I have to correct them. Not running behind vocabulary or idiom, phrases. No, not like that. It's not a necessity for you at beginnings. Okay? So, in spite of collecting these things, you have to focus on your basic problems. Okay? And your common mistakes. Which are you doing usually every time while speaking? So, guys, I will tell you one thing how could you reduce such problem? So, I have the one ways, I have the one ideas, and I would like to share with all of you. If you are new here, so I'll tell you start reading books. If you start reading books, it will really help you to reduce your mistakes. It will give you instant results, quick result, I would say. It will help you out. It will help you to increase your focus, observations. While reading, you are going to learn the modification of sentence as well as new vocabulary, very simple vocabulary. Where are you going to know the use of each stuff related to spoken English? I know some bits it's making you irritating. You may feel monotonous, yeah, even dull. But do not always do according to your subconsciousness, your happiness. Always try to do which is very important for you. Okay, so try to build habit of readings as well as try to focus of constructions of sentence, the right use of models and all the stuff which is used in a proper manners. Other things I would like to tell you here, mostly we do not like to listen anything. Listening means English speech, conversational videos, right? But we should listen. And through listening you can solve your listening powers. Listening is very important if you really want to be fluent speaker. So you have to listen more and more, because without understanding you can't prepare any sentence accordingly, right? So listening is very important. You start listening, and as much as you can listen, as better as you can be the fluent in your speaking. Listening help you out in multiple aspects, you can say. First of all, it will help you out to focus everywhere where where you have to focus. Okay, it will help you in multiple aspects, like whether whether are you conveying your messages or trying to recall new words on the spot. In that situation also it will help you out. Okay, so this is my experience, what I have revealed here, what I have given you, and hope you must follow. Okay, because yeah, you just think about, I'm coming from rural place and without guidance, without any navigations, how I'm able to speak English? Because of my experiment, you can say, right? I did a lot of experiment at my beginnings in order to become proficient into this language, right? I did a lot of efforts, experiment, discover, and then I'm able to do this. According to my experience, I'm giving you my suggestions. If you follow my suggestions on daily basis, you must get better result. Damn sure. Okay? So follow my ways, do not ignore, because mostly, after catching out any people's opinions, any teacher's opinions, and couple of time they forget out, they do not follow. This is not okay for you, right? This way you can't improve yourself. If you really want to get quick result in your speaking, you have to follow what I have told you. Yeah, so that's my opinions. Yeah, hope this content will help you out to achieve your success, to achieve your goals. Thank you so much for being a stay with me and keep listening me. Thank you so much, and if you're new here, please join with us. Thank you.